action and see where my strategy and my confluences come together, right? So right now we have this 5-minute gap here. Y'all see it, this is not a cooking channel. Shit, he made it, oh my God, he finally made a shot. But yeah, so what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. If you guys woke up today and you guys didn't thank the Lord, go ahead and do that right now. Thank him for waking you up this morning. Anyway, time I posted it was a Monday, and today I'm posting again. It is a Monday. It's a brand new week, a brand new fresh start. I did say I was gonna get a funded last week, but I'm not gonna get that yet. I had to pay some things off last night, so right now the funded is on a little pause for right now. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I did not take a trade today. Okay, I did not take a trade today. I did end up waking up late. I went to sleep early last night because I was super tired of work. And yeah, I did not take a trade today. But I will show you guys a trade recap on what I would have took. I don't want to say that I won today or I lost today because I didn't take a trade. I realistically did not take a trade. So I'm going to show you guys what I would have took on the market if I was in real time. So let's just get right into that trading session. So this is going to be the second time me recording this because I recorded the first one with no audio. But listen, it gives me another chance to, obviously tweak it. So look, let's get on the 4 hour. I didn't take a trade today, so I'm not saying I took a trade. I'm not saying I take this trade. I am basically just telling you guys this is what I would have took. Okay, so just get right into it. So as you guys can see, we do have a bearish trend here. Obviously, we're moving down. There's no news today. So there's not really any, most likely not going to be any movement in the market today, but clearly there was. But there's no news Monday. Maybe we'll see tomorrow is Joe's opening, CPI, CPI, PPI. So yeah, so there's a lot of news this week, but there was a no news Monday today. So let's get into it. So obviously, like I said, there is a downtrend. We broke structure here. We're coming down. We get a little retrace, a little hourly retrace on this green candle here. What I like to do, I like to wait till 10 before I take a trade because obviously 10 for me, I let the market do what it needs to do at 9:30, and then 10 o'clock is where I want to see some action and see where my strategy and my confluences come together, right? So right now we have this 5-minute gap here, obviously at right here, this 5-minute gap. Okay, so that comes into play after, but at 10 we see moves down to the downside. We see a little bit of pullback here, right? So we get a low resistance liquidity sweep right here. You guys can see that right there. Let me make this bigger. Hold on, make this way bigger. You guys see that line? You see a low resistance liquidity sweep with a 5-minute fair value gap. Then we get a push all the way to the downside, right? So at this point, obviously it leaves a gap behind. We run into this gap, we get a bearish close out of it. If there was no bearish close, if this candle didn't close bearish and it closed, let's say, basically if it doesn't close bearish outside the gap, we're not getting into that trade. But this one did end up closing bearish outside the gap. Stops above this high, which is 50 ticks, which is beautiful. See how much time we got right now. Wait, I'm so sorry. Okay, yeah, which is beautiful. That close is beautiful close. And then obviously what I've been doing, I've been going for 1 to 2s, but I really want to be going for 1 to 1.5. But for this trade, this sake, we're gonna go for 1 to 2 because we can clearly see this hit a 1 to 2 easy. So that's a 1 to 2, 100 ticks, risking 50 ticks to make 100 ticks. And on a funded, that would have been a really good trade. I can't really say anything to you guys because it wasn't in action. Like the trading session wasn't in action. So this is all hypothetical, and this is all like, it could have went wrong. Or maybe I could have even missed this trade. So this just goes like my strategy, basically. It goes with my strategy, my rules, my confluences, everything goes together. So that's what I would have took, but that's pretty much all this is. But tomorrow I will wake up. I promise you, I will wake up tomorrow in the morning. I'm not gonna miss a trading session again. I never do that. I never miss a trading session ever. But today was a day that, I didn't wake up. I am gonna wake up, I promise you. Showed you guys what I would have took, okay? So ended up winning on that, but I'm not gonna count it as a W because, hold on. Because it wasn't a W. So I'm not gonna count it at all. Right now, it is 60 degrees outside. I haven't had this weather in a long ass time. I'm about to go outside, enjoy the sun a little bit. Right now I'm sweating. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I am sweating because it's so hot in this house. So we're gonna go get our day started. After my little brother comes out of school, I'm gonna go play some basketball, maybe just a little bit, because you know, I gotta enjoy some time with my family as well. You know, I've been working a lot. You know, I've been kind of off YouTube, but just for this week, I'm gonna be right back on it. Like I said, I did end up getting monetized, and I appreciate you guys so much for all the support you guys have been showing me. It's just a blessing to be monetized. It's just a blessing to be making money outside of Slave Mart. You know what I'm saying? Of course, with trading, so I have 3 sources of income now that, you know, can potentially boost my revenue and take away Slave Mart. See, we in the car. We about to head to the basketball court now. Got my little brother in the car too, but we gonna head to the basketball court. Hold on. We gonna head to the basketball court. We're gonna play a little bit of games, and after that, you know, I'm gonna go to the gym, start editing this video, and do all that good stuff. So we ended up pulling up to the court, playing with my little brother, his boy, and his other boys over there. You know, oh shit, he made it! Oh my god, he finally made a shot. But yeah, so right now, we're just chilling right now. We're about to get a game on and everything. So we ended up finishing basketball. My hair's crazy as hell, but we're gonna go home now, take a shower, start editing this video. Why is that fucking... Yo, if he's selling your card, you trying to hop on? Yeah. Anyway, what's it called? We're gonna go home, take a shower, start editing this video, get this video, like, you know, already up to date for now, and then we're gonna go to the gym at like 7 or 8. I'm about to start grilling some chicken. Show y'all a little Chef John, you know what I'm saying? Not John Trades, Chef John. Pick up the camera a little bit. So we back at the house, and I come to a little surprise that so basically, my car, the check-in light is gone, but these are the little things that I need to, you know what I'm saying? The check-in light is gone, but when I turn the AC or the heater, not the AC, the heater, it smells like straight gas because I do have an exhaust leak. But we did a temporary fix at the mechanic, but I did get these. It's like the permanent fix, and I am gonna be doing that myself, maybe on Wednesday. So on Wednesday's vlog, yo guys see me fixing this car, man. It's gonna be a pain, but I gotta deal with it because obviously I don't wanna take it to the mechanic, bother him and shit, and then he even take more of my money. But look, besides that, I did start defrosting that chicken. I'm gonna start grilling that chicken before I go to the gym. I'm gonna grill it for my family. My mom called me, she said, hey, can you please grill the chicken? Because I'm a grill master, you know what I'm saying? I'm a grill master. Let me not hype it up too much, because if that shit comes out burnt, I'm not showing it to the camera. So, so we got it all laid out right here, ready to be seasoned. Oh shit. I'm gonna season it with, I'll tell you guys right now, I'm gonna season it with sazon. This is so bad for you, but it makes the chicken taste so good. Season it with that. We're gonna get, obviously, some salt, of course. I like doing my shit with onion powder. Hold on. Garlic powder. And I think I should put a little bit of chicken bouillon, a little bit. I don't know, maybe, we'll see. We'll see what I'll do. What else we got? Maybe some rosemary as well. Y'all see it, but let me just season this chicken real quick. And then after, I'll pick up the camera when I'm on the grill, and hopefully I don't burn it. So if I don't show the chicken on in this little next clip, I burned it. Wait, I forgot. Gotta get the knife out. Hold on. Oh, gotta get the knife out, and we gotta grab it, right? We cut it straight so it can cook faster on the grill, because these take forever to cook, bro. So I'm gonna cut it 2 little stripes here on each chicken. Each chicken gets a little 1 and 2. Gordon Ramsay will be proud of me. And 2. We're gonna throw the first chicken on there. If you don't hear it sizzling, it's not hot enough. I'm gonna throw all these fucking chickens on here. I see it. This is not a cooking channel, but I promise you, it's not a cooking channel. So we're gonna throw all these chickens on here. It's starting to get hot, so you guys are gonna see me on a grill a lot. I'm gonna buy skirt steaks, ribeyes. You know, I love cooking. I love eating too. So, I don't even know if you guys could hear me because it was sizzling. But yeah, that's the last chicken. We're gonna turn the heat down a little bit because we don't want it to burn. We want it to just, you know, sear the outside of it. Put the heat down a little bit, and yeah, we're gonna close it. Take this onion out of here, and then we're gonna close this the grill. Boom. Don't come at me. It's kind of a little burnt. It's not too crazy, but it's not grilling season, and I haven't grilled it in a while. But it's coming out good. It's coming out good. You know, we're gonna keep that moisture in there. This I low-key forgot to season. I'm not gonna lie, so I'm gonna just eat that myself. But right now it's coming out good. I'm gonna just close it a little longer. And yeah, we should be chilling. Right now, oh my God, I don't think I'm gonna go to LA Fitness to play some more basketball. I think I'm gonna just, you know, chill on basketball. I'm gonna go to the gym. Like regular, I'm gonna go to the gym. We're gonna hit chest, shoulders, and triceps, and a little bit of cardio. But yeah, I mean, I'm trying to be like the video style. I'm trying to be like more raw and more in my life, like more in depth in my life, because I'm pretty sure, I don't know, you guys let me know in the comments, see what you guys want to see more, the raw into my life or straight like strict trading, a little bit of my life, and you know, obviously the video ends out. Just you guys let me know. See, the finished product is kind of burnt. I'm not gonna lie, these little parts are burnt or whatever, but that's normal. That's gonna happen when you're in a grill. Y'all see it, look at that, nice. And hold on. It's just amazing, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, the video is gonna come to an end here. Oh, it smells so good. Did laundry. The video is gonna come to an end here though. I am gonna go get ready for the gym. I'm already ready. I just gotta put on this shirt. I'm gonna get ready for the gym, and I'm not gonna record in the gym. I don't have a recorder. I'm going by myself to the gym. So, but when my recorder does come back from PR, then you know we can record in the gym. But for right now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I try to make this video more like raw and more like, you know, just my life, you know, basically. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. It really helps me out. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.